Welcome back, all of you, to Archie Just Chai. So, it's been a long time that we are meeting yet again, and today, uh, actually, this video is happening because of one of the person who has been constantly, you know, I would say poking me to make a video, and I'm sure she's soon gonna join me in one of my videos as I promised her yesterday. Okay, and I'm sure she's watching this right now. So, first of all, apart from just her, first of all, thank you so much to all the subscribers, to all the people who are right now watching, who have still not subscribed. Subscribe my channel, and after finishing this videos, you have a lot more videos which you can watch if you haven't watched yet. Okay, and to the people who are here for the first time, let me tell you, Archie Just Chai It is a channel not just about me as Archie, but actually about the all people in your lives, or even more importantly, you yourself, and you're that just chai, that one thing which revolves, which decides, which creates and defines your life. So Archie Just Chai, it is more about my experiences, my clicks in my life, and as we all are somewhere connected, so we definitely can even connect and feel the same feeling with the experiences that we share. So that's why I make these videos, and here I come up with another beautiful thought that struck me, okay, which is about, you know like, as you can see the background, you see there are like, it's a wall, and just like one wall, there are so many walls in your house. Correct? A place that most of you people right now have been staying in for almost 4 to 5 months, right? So somewhere we have to be grateful, and somewhere we have to pray so that we can come out of this pandemic stronger, better, and but obvious magical, right? But at the end, we are here, right? Now the question is that constantly we have been living around the same walls, but is those walls same? And if they are same, why so, irrespective of 4 to 5 months already passed? Which means what I'm trying to ask you is, have you ever thought, right, that same plain wall of your house, of your home, can remain same if you wish so, and can change, right, every day if you wish so? The question is, are we even thinking to bring that change, right? Are we even looking upon to bring that change? Correct? Are we even imagining to change, let's say, that one corner of our house, just to give that vibe, just to give that experience? Like, I'm pretty sure everybody gets this adrenaline rush, that beautiful feeling when even the tiniest thing you buy or you receive, and you figure out a space to keep it. True or not? Whether it is a tiny plant, whether it is a beautiful cup, right, given by one of my most beautiful friend, right, or whether it is uh, you know hanging wall piece, whatever it is, right? But the excitement to find out a place for it, so that it can add on to that wall or to that corner, that itself gives so much of adrenaline rush. True or not? And I'm sure people today who have got something, you can connect to me, right? And the moment we place it there, at least for that 24 hours, we are in that zone. We stare at that area and we are like, content and happy, right? Now, coming to those walls, coming to those corners, I just want you to relate those corners, those walls with your own self, with the person whom you have been living not just for 4 to 5 months but years together, right? Constantly. Have you ever thought of bringing or adding a piece, and not just a single piece but actually a masterpiece in the corners of that person who is like a wall, right? What if adding those colors in any way, right? Whether it is, learning a new thing, whether it is learning 4 or 5 words in a different language, whether it is creating an art which you never ever thought you will ever pick up the brush, whether it is even, handling the kitchen utensils where you had never imagined yourself in that area, right? Or whether it is gardening or planting and taking care of one sapling, yeah, or whether it is taking care of your mind and soul by, writing a letter to your own self, right? Like, I am a person who loves letters, writing and even receiving, right? But, just adding and, making that corners of yourself more beautiful, more vibrant, so that the magic that is there within you is elevated and is growing with your help, and you get to explore yourself, don't you? Right? And just imagine if a small non-living thing, or even let's say a living thing piece in one of the corners of your home can make you give that feeling, can let you focus and be happy for those 24 hours, then just imagine doing it for your own self, for the actual body in which you are living constantly, right? So today I feel you can just figure out, take some time and figure out how you can decorate those walls, those corners which maybe were never even touched, right? Which were never even looked upon, right? And change the perspective of that corner or that wall of your body and your soul by doing, things that helps you explore the real you. Because till the time you are the real you, the magic can never be stolen. The fire can never be calmed down. The vibe will have the highest frequency to connect and bring things in your life which you always wanted. So, today it's just about adding those tiny little pieces which you love to decorate the corner of your life, to decorate the walls within you. So, love you all and thank you so much for watching, and do make sure that you subscribe and press the bell icon for the next video that's coming up next week, okay, with a new click, with a new experience, or maybe even a new place, right? So have fun and have an amazing day, because you know what, the day hasn't ended at whatever time you're watching, because the day begins the moment you think it begins, right? So go and change your wall, decorate your corners, right? And if required, sometimes the corners and walls are over decorated or overloaded. So to change them, you can even remove certain things from those corners and from those walls to still give and brighten up them. And when they brighten up, which is you yourself, automatically the surrounding brightens up. So, again, thank you so much. And this was Archie Just Chai It. Cheers.